everyone, this is Layla with MagicDoor, and I will show you how to make the electric light switch. And the objective is to show how electricity is turned on and off with a switch. And so I'm going to show you all the parts we'll need, and this is our power source. This is what's going to be used to bring the electricity to the thing so we can turn on the light. And this is the gray squid. This is where we're going to build the stuff. And the little pegs right here is what we're going to put it on. And this is the switch, so you can turn it on and off. And this is going to turn on the light. And this is the light. This is going to turn on once the electricity gets to it. And then these are the wire blocks. We're going to use four 2s and 1 3. And let's start building it. So first we're going to put on the batteries or the power source. And we're going to take 2 wire blocks. Put them on right here. And then we're going to put the switch right here and the light above it. Not right above it, but above it. And then we're going to put this right here. And then these 2 right here. And we're all done. Don't forget to come back next week to see how to make the DC motor and switch. And if you have any questions, just comment them down below and I'll answer them for you in the next video. Bye!